I am Linda.
Linda, and we just had a quick chat. What was your problem with pain?
I was having pain in my right knee.
And how severe was it?
It was like a 6-7 pain.
6 or 7 out of 10?
10, yes.
And can you just tell us for the camera, was it a constant thing every day? What?
It was a constant thing every day, especially when I sit for a while.
Okay, so affecting your sitting, walking,
yes, my
lifestyle.
Walking, can't run.
Okay. And to be fair, how long do you reckon we worked together for?
We worked there for 2 minutes.
And the result was?
I have no pain.
None whatsoever?
None whatsoever.
Okay, so can you stand up for me now and show us you've got no pain or no discomfort?
No
Right.
discomfort.
And
I
walking along?
can walk without pain. This is wonderful.
My name's Kylie Woodford. I'm here with Ace McDermott, and I just had some therapy.
And what was your problem?
I had really bad back pain.
And how long has your back pain been going
It's been
for?
going for about 7 years. And
Yes, and on a scale of 1 to 10, how intense?
it was like 8, 9. Now it's
So it's
gone.
like chronic 24 hours a day.
Yep,
And how is it now?
it's gone.
Hi, my name is Sharon Miller.
Yes?
I
And
have
we've
been-
just done a bit of pain management on yourself. Now tell us what your problem was before you come and see me.
I've had a really bad back and neck for 6 months.
Now, by your own admission, I asked you on a scale of 1 to 10 how bad was it, and you told me how much.
It was a 20.
So would you agree it was constant pain, chronic pain?
It was chronic pain,
Okay.
which kept me up at night.
Yes.
And within minutes,
So honestly, how long did we work for?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. And can you turn your neck to the left and right without no discomfort?
I can turn my neck more than I've ever turned my neck in the last 6 months.
My lower back was diagnosed as being stuffed.
So who told you that?
The doctors
How many doctors have you been to? How many specialists?
and a specialist, 3
Yep.
specialists.
And what did they say? Just
They said
take painkillers or?
there's nothing we can do about it. You'll
Yep.
have to live with it. We won't operate. So that's it.
Bad luck.
Keep it. Yeah.
Now, to be fair, you come up to me and you said you are very sceptical of my techniques, which I totally agree with unless you've seen it. Let's be honest, how long do we sit down for and have a talk, honestly?
Oh, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. And you said your pain level was at about a 7 or an 8 before we started.
That's right.
I asked you, a good result today would be 3 or 4, you said.
Mm-hmm.
Yes? And be honest with us, what was the result at the end of the 5 minutes?
1 or 2.
So basically,
And the walking stick I'm carrying,
show us your walking stick.
The walking stick I'm carrying, I don't need.
So, just for the record now, have you got any discomfort in your back at all?
None whatsoever.
So, completely pain-free.
Completely pain-free.
I put a challenge up that I'd get you sorted out within 5 minutes. Yes?
And he did it in 3.
And I did it in 3 minutes. And can you just explain how you're walking now? Do you feel like you're walking a little bit better, a bit straighter?
I'm walking erectly
Yes?
without pain.
Without pain?
And even when I bend over, which was a big problem, I
Yes.
have no pain when I stand up. And
So-
I stand straight up without leaning against the wall.
Beautiful. Would you mind just bending over with no discomfort? Show us what you can do there with no discomfort, and back again, and back up again. So normally, how bad would that be?
Terrible.
Okay, so from now on, would you say you are pain-free?
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
Absolutely. And I thank this gentleman completely.
Awesome. Thank you.
I had a herniated disc in my lower back.
Yes. And what did the doctors say about that?
They operated on it last year
Yep.
and said if I didn't seem to fix it and if I wanted to have further surgery, it was going to be fusing of the spine,
Yep.
which didn't guarantee fixing the problem either.
Great. And how much would that be costing you?
I'm not sure about the fusing, but the first one was about 10 to 12 grand, I think it was, off the top of my head. Total, yeah.
Okay,
So I
interesting.
imagine the fusing would have been 20, 30, I'd guess.
Okay. So we've sat down, and let's be honest, how long do we sit down for and have a chat, you reckon?
5, maybe 10.
5,
tops.
maybe 10 minutes. And we started off, you said across the board at a level out of 10. What did you say? I think you said
7, 8. Ebbs and
That's 7,
flows
8.
up to a 9, but yeah, most of the time that's between probably 7 or 8.
Okay, so we've just finished our session.
Yep.
What was the result?
Yeah, it feels pretty good. I've got no pain in my lower back at the moment,
Yep.
and yeah, I don't know if I'll come back. I hope not. I'm pretty sure it won't.